Hey guys, welcome to Make Life Happen with Christy and Eric. I'm Christy and we are in my bedroom. So I want to show actually the women of the group here how to actually pack for business travel using only carry-ons. I have been able to master this over the past few years. I take about 6 business trips at least, if not more, for business. And I wanted to show you my tips and tricks. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step to packing carry-on luggage for business trips is proper luggage. So we want to take a check at first carry-on, regular suitcase style, very deep. It's 23 by 14 by 8.5. This actually will be the main piece of luggage. That is where you're going to stick most of your items. And then I also have a second, because they allow us a second, for laptops or purses for women. And this is le purse. It's actually pretty big. It's almost as big as my suitcase. And I've used this on every single trip I've ever taken. And it actually allows me to pack enough stuff that I need without having to sacrifice any type of style, function, or warmth if I'm going to a colder area because of my travel on carry-ons. Step 2 of this is actually have a plan. If you fail to plan, then you just plan to fail. So with a plan, you need to know where you're going, when you're going, for how long, what the weather is like there, and once you know those 3 things, it'll allow you to actually customize what you're packing to suit the weather and have interchangeable items that allow you to pack less and yet still look up and coming and fresh for every single meeting through our packing system. Step 3 is actually having a plan for your actual clothing. I find a lot of women, they always want to pick on based, I want to wear this, or maybe I want to wear that, or how about this? What if I feel good in this? You got to stop doing that. It really actually adds pounds to your luggage. And that's why most actually travel with giant luggage cases. So I'm coming up to a trip going to North Carolina. I know during the day it's going to be about 20 degrees, and I know at night it's going to be cold. It's going to be around, 4 to 10 depending on the actual day. So I have a Friday outfit, a Saturday outfit, and a Sunday outfit. I have to pack for business, and then the travel that I would wear as I'm coming and going on my flight. So those are the 3 main things that I'm going to pack, and I'm actually going to show you what the outfits are that I'm packing, and then what the next steps are from that. Okay, so I'm here in my closet area, and I wanted to show you the clothing that I'm packing for the week. So for Friday, I have a business event where we do meetings every single Friday morning, long day through probably from 10 in the morning until 6 o'clock at night. So lots of sitting, lots of note taking, and I really want to be comfortable there. So this is actually how I do it. I have 2 of these sticky 3M hooks inside my IKEA closet here. And I have 2 for a reason. I'll show you. So the first one, I actually put my top part on, my shirt that I'm actually going to wear with my jacket, my blazer that I'm going to have, because it's going to be colder. I want to be comfortable. And then I have the second one to actually show what it's going to look like when I have my pants with the accessories there. So I can actually see before I pack it what exactly I'll be looking at as far as what I'm wearing for Friday. So my pants are stretchy, they're comfortable, I can sit long hours with them. I'm taking my notes. I have a tank top blouse and then a nice blazer that allows me to stay warm, and that's gonna be my Friday outfit. Now, Saturday is actually more of a special day. We are requested to wear blue to solidify and signify who we are and what we're doing together. So this is what I'm picking up for Saturday. As you can see, it's a dress, very professional. I'll wear those with a nice neutral shoe. It's a paisley. I already picked out my necklace here. So this is simple. I already know what I'm going to wear for Saturday. There's no guessing. I don't have to worry about it, and it is super easy and light to pack. So here is my outfit for Friday. I have a nice sweater blouse with black stretchy pants. Very comfortable for another day of learning, as well as easy to go back on a flight, comfortable and ready. And if you noticed, I actually took the same necklace as I had scheduled for Saturday with the dress. And this will look not only perfect with the heels that I'm bringing, but it'll also look perfect with my black Vionic shoes that are super comfortable, which since it's Sunday and it's more casual, I'll probably go that way. Okay, now that you've been able to see the clothing that I've packed for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the biggest thing for step 4 would be actually having versatile accessories as well as shoes. So major shout out to my people at the Mansfield Shoes Place in Manotick. I have these, they're Vionic shoes, very neutral, comfy, easy to go through the airport, and if they're actually Oprah's favorite. So if they're good enough for Oprah, aren't they good enough for us? Now, I also have business shoes because it's business meeting. So, ladies, neutral shoes, very important. These are neutral. They go with any of my pants and jacket outfits as well as my dresses. That's how I am actually able to reduce the amount of things that I'm bringing. I'm not bringing 20 different pairs of shoes to try and pick from when I'm there. I have a core system, I know what I'm wearing, and I'm laying in my shoes after. And finally, step 5, cinco, for the people learning Spanish with me. So step 5 is actually the act of strategically packing all your items. Okay, here is the first layer. We have my shoes wrapped up in a protective cover. I rolled all of the clothing to make sure it's wrinkle free by the time I get there. And I have my pants, my shirt, I threw in a belt. Pretty much everything in here is ready to go on our first layer. Second and third layer here is, in here I have my garment bag with my dress and blazer, and then on the top I just add my items that I need on the go. Makeup bag, and then this is my travel bag with all my shampoos, conditioners, face wash, moisturizer, toothpaste, toothbrush, everything goes in here. And then this is a jewelry roll where I keep all my jewelry that I want to travel, the necklaces, it protects it. And I highly suggest having one of these. And then, of course, my iPad with my iPad pen and holder to protect it during travel. Pretty much, as you can see, I haven't even touched the second carry-on bag. I usually use that for my passport, for my headphones, a book I want to read, pretty much anything. But it also allows me to have the room to bring back stuff if I wanted to, if I find something really nice upon my travels. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. I really wanted to share with you just some amazing tips that I learned along the way on how to strategically pack for those business trips without having to check things in all the time. Because as soon as I mastered the art of packing carry-on, man, traveling through the airport was so smooth and I absolutely love it. So highly suggest that you guys try your own ways to master your own techniques. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and definitely give us a subscribe.